Alright, assalamualaikum everyone, and bolo tararara. Anyways, go back into this, update for Taraksa. I don't even know what this means actually. So if anyone from Taraksa knows what it means, whoever came up with that name, please tell me what do you mean by Taraksa. Anyways, the TA for Tara or Tara, I'm just gonna call it T, okay? It's a very hard word for me to pronounce. Tara. I don't have that. My tongue is not so flexible to say ra all the time. So I'm just gonna say T. So T is T, okay? And when we speak of this coin now, jokes aside, I want to show you the 1 hour time frame. So we do have a progress going on. And in my honest opinion, I think this coin is way too pumped right now for me to give you an explanation of going inside. On any given day, I will never, even if I went crazy, I will never tell anyone to buy something that is pumped up like this. Never ever. This was a very big sideways, accumulation, whatever. But this move up right now can be exhaustion to come down again, and you have to be careful about it. So one thing I am looking forward to for this T coin right now is that I was looking for an entry, but this was when it was some few days ago right over here. So I was looking at, okay, there's this one resistance going on. This can actually be more visible on the 15 minutes time frame. So I'm going to dive into the 15 minutes time frame right there, and I'm going to show you something here. So you do have the resistance number 1, number 2, and number 3 right there. So I was looking forward to maybe can break above here, back test, and this was like a 30% opportunity. I was looking for that one, but you got rejected and still you're failing to cross this resistance. And I can actually extend it and keep on extended. Who knows, we can actually get another push to the upside. But even if you get a push to the upside, this is the resistance that we need to see broken. As far as I understand what is going on, this is a time to sell and go down. Why? It's not there's a logical reason for me to tell you why it's going to go down. Number one, the RSI is pretty much overblown to the upside. Okay, it's never a good idea. The second thing is the prices are also blown to the upside. Now it doesn't mean you cannot go up. I'm going to tell you when we go up, and that's when you break this resistance backtest and you have a good chance of keep on moving higher. But if it happens, right, it's not happening just yet. So what is happening here, this sideways movement that you're looking at is more like a distribution phase of a market cycle. So we started off with accumulation, pumped up for the reaccumulations here. This one is a distribution. You're looking to go down for a redistribution and maybe go down again for accumulation and then go back up. Okay, so this is the logical reason why this might be a distribution, and distribution means sell off. Okay, the whales, the people who bought it earlier, are actually taking their profits out. So if someone is taking their profits, it doesn't make sense for you to take to buy the coin. Maybe sell the coin as well. That makes sense. Okay, if you had an opportunity for the buying here, you now have an opportunity for the sell. That's what makes sense. So there's one more trend line to the downside as well, and that is going to be this right over there. Okay, so we're looking for a sideways movement going on right here. You can look at things moving this way around. So we might be coming down, we might touch this trend line back, come back like this, consolidate, and then finally drop down. Now keep in mind, you also have to be very careful. We don't start to push like this and come like this and start to make a rising wedge as well. Okay, there could be chances of doing something like this and make a rising wedge like that and then pop down and then go to the downside as well. But it's simple. Okay, if this video does get a good response, I might be able to make a video again in the future. If you do start to break above here, I'm going to actually enter the retest. If the retest gets successful, I'm looking to trade it all the way up there. So that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.